Welcome friends, and today we will discuss a very short topics but a very understanding topics, a very confusing topics, which is the differences among the taxon, category and hierarchy. And this is the second lecture video of your NEET biology. Okay, and this is included under the diversity of the living world of unit 1 from class 11 portion. So now let's move on the main topics. What are the differences among the taxon, category and the hierarchy? So first of all, we'll read this hierarchy, next taxon and category. Actually, we will differentiate among these three confusing terms. Okay. When we want to classify an organism, suppose this is an organism, okay, and we want to classify these organisms. That is, we want to build the systematic position of this organism, and we want to know that what is the systematic position of the living world of this organism, and we must follow a systematic framework. Actually, we must follow a systematic framework. Okay. We must follow a systematic framework. Carolus Linnaeus proposed this systematic framework, and this systematic framework is called as hierarchy. So this systematic framework is called as hierarchy. Actually, hierarchy contains 7 pieces, or they are containing 7 classes. Okay, so when we want to classify an organism, we must follow a systematic framework, which was proposed by Carolus Linnaeus, and this systematic framework, which contains the 7 pieces or 7 classes or the 7 levels or 7 ranks, these total ranks, these total 7 pieces, these total 7 classes are called as hierarchy, right? So this is important. So what are these 7 pieces? These 7 pieces are kingdom. These are phylum or division. In cases of plants, this is division, or this may be class, next order, family, genus and species. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So these 7 pieces or these 7 classes are collectively called as hierarchy. So this is called as hierarchy, right? But what is taxon and what is category? I will write it. This is called category, and the last one is taxon for our understanding. Okay. What is category? Category is single piece. Category is single piece or class of linear hierarchy. Okay. So kingdom, this single piece is called as category. Phylum, this single piece is called as category. Class, this single piece is called as category. So class, this is category. Ordered, this is category. Okay. But when we consider these 7 pieces, then this is called as the hierarchy. So category is the rank of linear hierarchy. Category is any rank or piece of linear hierarchy. Okay, so this is important, right? Okay, but what is taxon? Taxon is the group of organisms which show similar character. This is called taxon. okay, or plural form this is known as taxa. So kingdom, suppose kingdom is category, because single piece of linear hierarchy is called as category, and in this kingdom the taxon is animal, okay. So taxon is either animal. Next, phylum. Suppose in this phylum chordata, so chordata is the taxon, right? So this is taxon, chordata, so this is called taxon, but these are called category, okay. So these are called category, right? So, and this is called as hierarchy. This is called as hierarchy, and there are presents many selves. So this may be a self, this may be a self, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are present 7 selves. So each of the selves is called as category, okay. So this is a category. Suppose this is known as kingdom, so this is a category. Phylum, so this is a category. Class, this is a category. Order, this is a category. Family, this is a category. Genus, this is a category. And species, this is a category. And in each category we can place a group of organisms which shows the similar character, okay. That is the Panthera, Leo, or Panthera, Pardus, okay. So in these cases the Panthera is the genus name. So Panthera is the name of genus, and the Pardus or the Leo is the name of species. So the genus, this is called category, okay. But in this genus the Pardus is the taxon, okay. So species is category, and remember category will be always 7 in number, okay. But the species, this species may be Leo or this may be Pardus, okay. So there are so many species under the genus Pardus, okay, and this is actually called as taxon, right? So that hierarchy is actually, the hierarchy is the systematic framework of the classification, and the total the 7 pieces or the total 7 rank is actually collectively called as hierarchy. But category is the single piece of the linear hierarchy. Single piece of the hierarchy is called as the category, okay. So taxon are the group of organisms which show the similar character, so these are actually called as the taxon. As per example, the Panthera Leo, the Panthera is the genus name and the Leo is the species name, and in this case is the genus, this genus is called as the category, and the Panthera is known as taxon, okay. So this is actually the basic differences among the hierarchy, category and the taxon. If we take an example from human beings, then what we will see, and you can clearly understand if we take an example, okay. So the systematic position of the human beings, that is the human systematic position, okay. So just we want to classify the humans, so we must follow the systematic framework, that is we must follow the linear hierarchy, okay. So the kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species, okay. So these all settings are collectively called as linear hierarchy, right? And in this linear hierarchy we can write that human being is included under kingdom animal. So this animal, this is the category, okay. Phylum, So single piece, that is the phylum. So this animal, this is called as taxon, not category. So this animal, this is actually the taxon, okay. But kingdom, when we consider the single word, that is the kingdom, then this is called as the category. And when we consider this 7 rank or this 7 piece, then this is called as the hierarchy, okay. So kingdom is category and animal is taxon. So phylum, chordata. In these cases, the phylum is category and the chordata is taxon. Class Mammalia, okay. So class, this is category, and Mammalia, this is taxon. Ordered, primates. So ordered is category and primates is taxon. Family, Hominida. So family is category and the Hominida is taxon. Genus, Homo. So genus is category and Homo is taxon, and species, sapiens, okay. So species is category and sapiens is taxon, right? So when we consider total 7 pieces, then this is called as hierarchy. Okay. And when we consider single piece, then this is called as category, okay. And when we consider a group of organisms which show the similar character, then this is called as taxon, okay friend. So this is the basic differences among hierarchy, category and taxon, and hope you have clearly understood about the slight differences or this confusing term, that is the what are the differences among the hierarchy, category and taxon, and hope you have clearly understood about these confusing regions, okay. And in the next tutorial video we will discuss about the taxonomy and systematic